Before iPhone SE3 was launched, it is hearsay that it looks almost identical to iPhone SE2 or iPhone 8. Aftermarket also confirms that their internal hardware is basically compatible. Today we received a brand new iPhone SE3. Disassemble first. To verify whether its screen, the most important part, can be compatible with other models, simply take a look at its package. Unboxing, active iPhone SE3. Unbolt bottom screws. Heat iPhone SE3 on LCD separating station. Open screen with a separation clamp. Unscrew FPC cover that protects flex. Disconnect flexes. Remove screen successfully. Screen backlight shield plate is divided into two parts, upper and lower one, which protects flex cable. The rest place are covered by black heat dispatch adhesive, preventing LCD back from being scratched. That is more environmentally friendly than previous generation. Before testing, let's compare whether genuine iPhone SE3 or iPhone SE2 or iPhone 8 screen has the same appearance. Except for back sticker and metal shield design, iPhone SE3 has the same appearance as iPhone SE2. The difference from iPhone 8 is in the bottom right corner. Both iPhone SE have removed 3D touch. Install SE3 screen on SE2, iPhone 8 in turn, then test touch and display functions. They work normally. iPhone SE3 screen is backward compatible. Install SE2 and iPhone 8 original screen on new SE3 phone in turn, then test touch and display functions. SE2 and iPhone 8 screens are also compatible with SE3. But there are not only original screens in the market, but also many aftermarket screens. We have also made rounds of tests of some aftermarket screens. Results have proved that most iPhone 8 aftermarket screens are not compatible with iPhone SE3. Fortunately, we found an aftermarket screen that is compatible with SE3, which supports screen data reading and writing, as well as true tone function. If you need, please contact Elecworld. We will test whether other SE3 parts are compatible with SE2 and iPhone 8, so please stay tuned.